In the remote forests of northeastern China, local harvesters climb trees as high as 100 feet to reach this region's most valuable product, pine nuts. The job is dangerous, but the reward is high for people willing to risk their lives. In the US, pine nuts, which are actually seeds, can sell for upwards of $117 a kilogram. Compare that to the price of pistachios, which can sell for about $39 a kilogram. So what makes pine nuts so special? And why are they so expensive? Around the world, there are 30 species of pine trees that produce edible seeds, yet only a handful are sold commercially, like Korean pine, which grows here in northeastern China. It needs specific conditions to grow, and unlike almonds and pecans, which can be commercially grown on orchards and plantations, most pine nuts come from natural forests. The trees need to grow for at least 25 to 50 years before they bear cones and seeds. Even after all this time, individual trees will only be ripe for picking once every 2 years. When the time comes, local harvesters make their way into the forest to do the most dangerous part of the job the moment they arrive, scaling those 100-foot trees to reach the cones and seeds.
危险就是，其实危险吧有，现在上树的人太少。
Those who are willing climb 20 to 30 trees each day, armed with long poles and spikes attached to their boots, which they use to knock the cones to the forest floor.
脚丫子踩滑了，或是树顶上承包了，完还那些劈的那些树枝了，最危险就这些。 到顶上不往下看的话就是个平的。
Because of the risk, and because this job can't be done by machines, processors must also pay for accident insurance. It costs about 900 yuan, or $139 per worker each month. And insurance costs get even more expensive for harvesting companies when paying for workers by the day.
现在 爬树上山摘松塔的人工，原先我们雇一台车去拉才500块钱，现在是800。人工最早的从300、400，现在涨到已经900了，最高峰的时候。
Another unpredictable element of harvesting pine nuts is just how much time harvesters have to collect the pine cones each season. For example, the Korean pine season typically starts on September 1st and can last as long as 2 months or be as short as 20 days. This brief window of time means laborers have to collect as many cones as possible into their large burlap sacks. On average, they can fill 4 to 6 bags a day, with a single sack often weighing as much as 142 pounds. They get paid by processors in 2 ways. First, they earn a day rate, which is around $123 a day. And second, they get paid by how much they harvest. As of September 2021, a processor will pay $720 for 4 full bags of cones. These bags then go to a processing facility, where the cones are opened and crushed to reveal the pine nut shells inside. Cones that are sold to processors often come in green and unripened and need additional processing.
要是早期的话，因为这个有点太轻了，它没有开口嘛，它必须也得发酵，就用帆布啊，用塑料布给它捂一下，这样它就是让它发热，它就开口了。像这种情况，开口了，这样比较脱粒，就用我现在买这个脱粒机。9月1号，一般得到15号才能脱粒，或者是10号才能脱下来。但是在9月15号以后就不需要再沤了，就当天打下来，当天可以脱。
Knowing exactly when a pine cone needs to be threshed is an important part of the process, as it can determine the quality of the seeds inside and ultimately the final price they can be sold for.
湿的，你要是不及时处理，它会自己发热发酵，就影响这个松子的这个色泽，影响它的这个质量，还影响它的口感，都会有影响。但是我们会，很快会出手，不可能让它在手里那个发生一些变化。
It's only after the pine cone scales are opened that the pine nuts can be extracted, and even then, the cones don't yield many seeds.
它是一个塔子，平均能出2两籽儿，所以说，这一个也有的是将近1斤。
This means that 250 kilograms of pine cones yields only 50 kilograms of pine nuts. Because a majority of pine trees grow in natural forests, there are large variations in the yield from year to year. This causes demand to often outweigh supply, driving the overall price of pine nuts up. But the price of each pine nut also depends on its size.
这个季节也就是28到30，大颗粒30到32之间，5块到6块之间，那差很多，因为高端的东西还是值钱的。
Once processed, some seeds are sold as they are now, in their shells. Others are sold as the white nuts you see in dishes like pesto. They are the same nuts, just with the outer shell removed. The two largest producers of pine nuts are East Asia and the Mediterranean. Korean pine, which is the most common species to grow in China, makes up 59% of the world's global supply. By 2025, the pine nut market is expected to grow by $332 million. And with a growing demand for foods like pesto and hummus, it's likely that the price you pay for pine nuts will only continue to rise.